50 ESL questions for kids with answers. Hello. Welcome to 50 questions for ESL kids. Please listen carefully and answer the questions. You can use some of the cues. Let's go. What's your name? How old are you? Where do you live? Where are you from? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Who is in your family? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite animal? What do you like to eat? What do you like to drink? What is your favorite toy? Who is your best friend? What's your favorite subject at school? Do you like to draw? What's your favorite sport? Can you count to 20? Do you have any pets? Do you like to read books? What fruit do you like? Do you like to eat vegetables? Who's your favorite superhero? What can you do? How do you go to school? What grade are you in? What color is your school uniform? How is the weather today? What do you do on a rainy day? What do you do on a sunny day? What clothes do you like to wear? Do you like to go camping? Can you cook? What day is today? How many classmates do you have? What's your teacher like? When is your birthday? How do you celebrate your birthday? What do you like to do on the weekend? Do you have a smartphone? What season do you like? What languages can you speak? What's in your school bag? What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the evening? What do you eat for lunch? What time do you get up? What time do you go to bed? Do you like to go to the zoo? What animals are there in the zoo? Can you play a musical instrument? Well done! I'm really proud of you.